With Lake Michigan to the east, Lake Superior to the north, and the Mississippi River to the west, Wisconsin is a central state surrounded by water. For this reason, it's an important, lesser-known hub for commercial waterways. To help cities and companies build upon and improve their port infrastructure, the Wisconsin Department of Transportation offers something called the Harbor Assistance Program.
The Harbor Assistance Grant Program in the state of Wisconsin is a grant program that has been in the state since 1978. We get applications every year to help harbors for different things like dock wall repair, sometimes as small as replacing a bollard. Dredging is another big one. Any really type of infrastructure improvement to help the commercial aspect of the port for passengers and freight.
There are 29 commercial harbors and ports in the state of Wisconsin that ship a vast variety of commodities, including agricultural supplies, iron ore, and salt. Wisconsin also has a robust shipbuilding industry and several passenger vessels that keep harbors busy.
We've had a lot of really interesting and varied grants recently. One of the big ones that we just recently awarded was up in Marinette for Fincantieri Shipbuilders. They won a big award for the Department of Defense to build their Navy ships, and we helped provide the infrastructure so that they could win that contract. We've also were able to help establish crane building in Manitowoc, which was very exciting. The vast variety and diversity of things that we ship and the amount of people and commodities and freight that comes in and out of Wisconsin every day. It's really a great resource. We're very lucky, and I'm very glad that the Department of Transportation helps support that with our Harbors Assistance Program.
And now you know you're Wisconsin.